Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Paddington's Pantry, where my dog Paddington and I make dog-friendly treats. This is Paddington right here. So today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, we are making some green smoothies for dogs. It is filled with lots of healthy fruits and vegetables for your dogs, and I'm also going to be going into which vegetables to not include because dogs can't have every vegetable like we can. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, the vegetables and fruits that I chose in this video are just ones that are green and I know my dogs like. So you want to make sure before you make this for your dog that your specific dog can have all of the ingredients that we're using. Definitely double check with your vet. Some common smoothie ingredients that you do not want to include are kale, avocado, and spinach. Spinach, when eaten in large quantities, can cause kidney failure, which is terrifying. Avocado is always a big no for dogs. And you also want to avoid kale because it has something called calcium oxalate. Everything will be in the description box below anyways. But in large quantities it can create or can cause kidney stones, so you don't want to give that to your puppy. Anyways, but let's get into the actual recipe, and all these ingredients are puppy safe. Yay, we want you to see. So everything just gets poured into a blender. It's super easy. I use 1 cup of water, 2 fresh pears that I've peeled and roughly chopped. So with pears, you want to peel the peel just because the little pieces of the peel can kind of get stuck in your dog's throat, and you want to avoid that. So just use the flesh and also completely avoid the seeds and the internal stem. Then I added 2 stalks of celery. So celery is really handy because it freshens your dog's breath. So if your dog has some stinky breath, this smoothie is actually quite good to freshen their little mouth. Then a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Then 1 fresh cucumber, and I haven't peeled this simply because I wanted the green color in the peel, but I give my dogs sliced cucumber all the time and they can eat the skin, so they have no issue with it. But if your dog does, you're totally welcome to just peel the cucumber as well. Then 1 cup of some thawed frozen peas, and a 1/4 cup of fresh mango that I've peeled and roughly chopped. Paddington loves mango, so I had to include it. So you just want to pulse everything until it's very smooth. And so this is a quite chunky smoothie recipe. So you can leave it chunky if you like, but if your dog doesn't like that texture, you can push it through a sieve or like a cheesecloth. And what that's going to do is it's going to remove any of the pulp, and it's just going to give you like a fine liquid, so it's easier for your dog to drink. Then just pour it into little glasses and you are done. And also, if you don't want to serve it to them liquid, you can also pour it into like a little silicone mold and freeze it for frozen treats. That's what I did with the rest of the smoothie mixture because I have 2 Pomeranians, there's some which are like this big. So the smoothie would be made to way too much. So now they have treats for months and months and months. And if you're new to my channel, this other little puppy is named Treacle. She is my other Pomeranian, and both Paddington and Treacle are on Instagram at Paddington Pom and at Treacle Pom. So if you guys want to give them a follow, that would be wonderful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any requests for other dog treats, like different kinds, what would you like to see? Let me know in the comments down below. I will also link a playlist here for all the other dog recipes I have on my channel. A dog cookbook is going to be in the works in the future, so stay tuned for that. I'm currently working on my 2nd book, which is not a dog cookbook, but hopefully the 3rd will be one, and there will be so many photos of Paddington, so I cannot wait for that. Are you excited? Because you'll get so many cookies. Yes, that's the magic word. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on Sunday for a new weekly vlog. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and bye-bye. Can I say goodbye? Wait, we can't even see your hand because it's in the fluff.